Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make fish pepper soup with unripe plantain for this cold weather. So I'll be using these ingredients: onion, garlic, bay leaf, ehuru, African nutmeg, and star Maggi. So I've diced the onion and the garlic outside the camera. Then I have blended the African nutmeg and the Maggi. I will add everything into the pot, add some thyme, add some rosemary. This is frozen rosemary. Then I add some pepper. I'm using both fresh and dry pepper, fresh habanero pepper and dry pepper. Then I will add some salt to taste. I will add water to the level of the fish. Then I will cook this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. I will go ahead and wash and prepare the plantains off camera. And if you're wondering the kind of fish I'm using pangacious fish, but you can use catfish or tilapia fish. Once the plantains are ready, I will add it into the fish. I have cooked this fish for at least 7 minutes. So I will top up the water to the level of the plantain. I will add some crayfish. I will cover the pot and cook for more 10 minutes because this plantain, it doesn't take so much time to cook. Then after 10 minutes, I will give it a stir. I will stir it with the back of my spatula. I will just gently stir it so that I will not break the fishes. Just like so, just raise it up a bit. Then immerse the plantain into the sauce and taste for salt. Cover and cook for at least more 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, then introduce the vegetables. I'm using fresh vegetables, the nchia, that scent leaf, and some spring onion. Then I will add it and give it a stir to make sure that everything is well combined. Then after stirring it for at least 1 minute, don't cook it more than 1 minute, I will take off the rosemary stick because the leaves has fallen off from it. Then I will check for the plantain and it is ready. So I will take it out from the heat and dish it out. And that is it for today's video. If you've tried this out, please let me know how it came out in the comment section. Hope yours was yummy too. Mine was so yummy and tasty that I had to portion it so that I can be able to be taking it to work. And this is the one I took to work the previous day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please like and share and follow for more videos.